everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, then please take a moment to subscribe, and also you can follow me up in socials to get connected. So it has been 6 months already since I have started my YouTube channel, and मैंने कभी भी like एक introduction video film नहीं किया था. काफी सारे friends ने मुझे ये भी बोला था that I should really film a introduction video wherein I actually talk about myself and what I do, what are my liking, disliking, and what my channel is all about and all such things. So मैंने decide किया that I will make an introduction video in a more fun way. So I'm doing this get to know me tag video. So मैंने अपने Instagram पे एक post डाला हुआ था with a question sticker wherein I told you all guys that I am about to film a get to know me tag. एंड उसमें मैंने आप सबसे बोला था कि आपको जो भी क्वेरीज है, जो भी क्वेश्चंस है, आप वो सब मुझे पूछ सकते हो. एंड आई हैव रिसीव्ड ऑल ऑफ योर क्वेश्चंस एंड मुझे काफ़ी सारे क्वेश्चंस बहुत रिपीटेटिव भी लगे, जिससे मुझे ये पता चल रहा है दैट बहुत सारे लोगों को ये जानना ही है. So I have answered to all of those questions, and some of you were like so sweet that you have sent in so many compliments. Thank you so much for that. I am really thankful to you all. But since इस video में I will be answering to the questions that people have, so मैं आपके compliments and all उन सब को इधर नहीं post कर सकती हूँ. But yes, thank you so much for all of your compliments. It really means a lot. Also, I would like to mention that I did receive certain creepy messages as well, and I'm just going to ignore them and not even going to talk about it. And with that, let's just quickly begin with the video. So the first question is, where do you live? And काफ़ी लोगों ने मुझे ये question पूछा था, but I think I have talked about it earlier. So I basically belong to Odisha, and वहाँ पे भी I stay either in Angul or in Bhubaneswar. But for the major amount of time, I do stay in Angul. And since the past 5 years, I have been in Delhi for my studies. And abhi bhi currently I am in Delhi, so I can say that I live in Delhi and I belong to Odisha. Okay, so the next question is, how are you consistent with your videos? Thank you so much for noticing that. And तो मेरे यूनिवर्सिटी में ना the attendance system is like really strict. तो जब मेरे क्लासेस चल रहे थे before the entire lockdown and this pandemic situation, उस वक्त तो मेरे माइंड में कभी ये थॉट नहीं आया दैट आई शुड स्टार्ट माई चैनल, क्योंकि मुझे पता है दैट मुझे बिल्कुल भी टाइम नहीं मिलने वाला है और लाइक क्लासेस मिस करके करना तो इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल. प्लस अगर भी कभी कोई फ्री स्लॉट होता है, वी कैन रियली नॉट गो ऑफ कैंपस बिकॉज ऑफ द वेरी स्ट्रिक्ट अटेंडेंस सिस्टम. एंड वॉट हैज़ एक्चुअली हेल्प मी इज दैट एक तो लॉकडाउन में मुझे टाइम मिला, सो आई कुड स्टार्ट इट. एंड अभी भी क्लासेस आर गोइंग इन अ ऑनलाइन मीडियम, सो आई एम गेटिंग टाइम. एंड ऑल्सो अभी धीरे धीरे मैंने ये भी सीख लिया है कि हाउ आई कैन प्री फिल्म माई वीडियोज एंड देन सेव माई टाइम. तो अभी ऐसा है ना कि एक दिन में सपोज आई विल फिल्म 2 or 3 वीडियोज एंड उसके बाद आई विल बी टेकिंग माई टाइम टू एडिट देम एंड देन अपलोड देम इन माई अपलोड डेट्स. So yeah, like pre-filming and time management has actually helped me to cope up with consistent videos. Okay, so the next question is, how to collab for beginners? If you are talking about YouTube, then I don't think I can tell that because my YouTube channel is not yet monetized. क्योंकि अभी तक like मैंने monetization के criteria तो fulfill नहीं किए हैं सारे. And I can tell you about Instagram, क्योंकि Instagram में content create करते हुए मुझे like 8 months to almost I can say 1 साल हो गए हैं. तो वहाँ पे I do get brand collaborations, तो I can tell you about that. तो सबसे पहले you have to be very clear with your niche एंड आप किस रिगार्डिंग में कंटेंट क्रिएट करना चाहते हो, वेदर इट इज़ ब्यूटी ब्लॉगिंग, फैशन ब्लॉगिंग, फूड ब्लॉगिंग, मतलब जो भी आपका पर्टिकुलर इंटरेस्ट है, यू शुड बी वेरी क्लियर अबाउट दैट. एंड देन आपको अपने पर्टिकुलर निश में लाइक रेगुलरली गुड कंटेंट पोस्ट करना है, एंड दैट इज हाउ द ब्रांड इज गोइंग टू नोटिस यू एंड देन ट्राई टू कोलैबोरेट विथ यू. एंड द अदर थिंग विच यू कैन डू एज अ बिगिनर इज टू रजिस्टर योर सेल्फ इन द वेरियस प्लेटफॉर्म्स which act like as a connecting link between the brands and the bloggers. Now, to give you some examples about these platforms, there is Plixo, then we have Opa Reviews, and uske baad you can try like Mars Player, and then we have B&B Closet, which is extremely good for fashion bloggers. And yeah, like ये सारे जो platforms होते हैं इनके बारे में आप पता करो and get yourself registered with them, and you have to submit them your details such as your following number, then like आपका engagement rate क्या है और आपके commercials क्या है, like what do you charge per post, पर स्टोरी, पर रील्स. आप अपने सारे डिटेल्स वहाँ पे सबमिट कर सकते हो ना. अब क्या होता है, व्हेन अ ब्रांड हैज टू रन लाइक अ मास कैंपेन, तो दे विल कॉन्टैक्ट दीज एजेंसीज and they have all the bloggers and all the content creators registered with them, and as per the brand's requirement and your particular interest, they are going to connect you both. and that is how you get collaborations mostly as a beginner. And also you can have like a direct interaction with the brand for collaboration, but वो एक initial stage में काफी कम होता है, because until and unless you are like really established in a particular niche and the brand really thinks that you are the ideal face for their campaign, very rare that the brand will directly contact like a content creator or a blogger. But हाँ, कभी कभी होता भी है, because I think there are 2 brands जिनके साथ मेरा डायरेक्ट इंटरेक्शन हुआ था. एंड इस प्रोसेस में ना देर इज बोथ मेरिट एंड डीमेरिट. एक मेरिट तो ये होता है कि यू गेट टू नेगोशिएट वेल, क्योंकि ब्रांड इज डायरेक्टली टॉकिंग टू यू, सो यू गेट टू like negotiate what your commercials are, and the brand also is able to explain you that what their exact expectation is, so it becomes a bit more easier. But then these opportunities are really rare. तो as a beginner जो आपके लिए बेस्ट होगा, that is A, to find your niche, B, कि आप उस पर रेगुलर अच्छे कंटेंट पोस्ट करते रहो, एंड C वुड बी टू गेट योर सेल्फ रजिस्टर्ड विद द वेरियस प्लेटफॉर्म्स जो मैंने अभी बताया आपको. एंड इस सब के साथ यू हैव टू स्टे मोटिवेटेड टू क्रिएट दैट कंटेंट, एंड ऑलवेज अंडरस्टैंड दैट इसमें थोड़ा टाइम तो लगता है. सो एज अ बिगनर डीमोटिवेट भी बिल्कुल नहीं होना है. यू हैव टू कीप ऑन वर्किंग. ऑल ऑफ दिस वर्क इज इवेंचुअली गोइंग टू पे ऑफ. जस्ट मेंटेन अ गुड क्वालिटी एंड बी कंसिस्टेंट विथ योर वर्क. द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, हाउ डिड यू स्टार्ट, how much do you earn, and what else do you do for a living? Okay, so how did I start? Well, I think it exactly started in the year 2019. So 2019 mein I had taken part in this beauty pageant, that is Miss Capital of India. I was one of the finalists, and I also won the title of Miss Designer's Choice. And it was during the pageant only that I realized that I thoroughly enjoy doing this digital content thing. I like to talk about makeup, fashion, and in some topics when I have like a keen interest. Also, I thought that having a platform like Instagram and YouTube, where it becomes very easy for you to showcase your talent and your opinion to the world, was easily accessible as well for everyone. So I thought like, let's just begin. And of course there are YouTubers and there are bloggers that I really admire, and that also motivated me to start with my own channel or with blogging. So yeah, like I can say that I officially started in 2019. And following up with how much do you earn and what else do you do for a living? Okay, I am actually into a lot of things right now, but I don't know, like जनरली लोग अपने पर्सनल लाइफ को लेके प्राइवेट होते हैं. मैं शायद अपने प्रोफेशनल लाइफ को लेके ज़्यादा प्राइवेट हूँ. But okay, I'll tell you as much as I can tell you for the timing. So I have started my own business. It is a startup, and अभी उसको around 8 months हो गए हैं. And like, what do I say? It is an online business. And yeah, like touch wood, everything is going the way I have planned till now. It's very new, I can say. Like as I told, it's only 8 months old. But it's going decently well, just the way I have planned. And apart from that, I am still studying. I haven't started a job. I am still into my studies. And उसके अलावा I do content creation for Instagram and YouTube. YouTube is not yet monetized, as I told you. And Instagram में not every post is a paid post, but there are certain paid collaborations as well. So yeah, that is again a source of income for me. And apart from that, affiliate marketing is also a source of income for me. And lastly, I think I do take certain modeling assignments, but I would not like to exactly consider it, क्योंकि मैं बहुत ही selective projects लेती हूँ. Like there are certain offers, but I have to decline them क्योंकि मेरे लिए possible नहीं होता है. I only take up the projects जो कि only within Delhi होते हैं, या फिर जो कि one day shoot होता है, क्योंकि उससे ज़्यादा अगर कुछ होता है ना, then it becomes really hectic for me. And फिर वो मैनेज नहीं कर पाती हूँ मैं. So yeah, like I'm very selective about the modeling projects that I take up. But like yeah, answering to your question, that again is a source of income for me. Now moving next to the other question, which is reason behind your height. Well, I think ये question जो है ना, ये sarcastically पूछा गया है. So I'll just be honest with you all. I am not at all tall. I am very short actually. I am 5'2" and a half. Reason behind this, I don't know exactly. It might be genetics. Because my parents also have like quite average height. Like neither of them is also quite tall. So I believe that is the reason for my height. And इसके अलावा actually I did try to go for stretching and posture correction to get like थोड़ा सा अपने height को increase करने के लिए मैंने ये सब try किया था. However, I didn't opt for medication क्योंकि मुझे वो सही नहीं लगा था. So I did try to go for stretching and posture correction to increase my height. but that didn't work. And yeah, like I'm short, and I am okay with that. I have accepted it, and I think we should definitely accept ourselves the way we are and not like stress much about the things that we can't change. So yeah, like I hope that answers your question. Okay, so now the last question, that is, are you studying or doing job? Well, I think I just mentioned about it. So I am studying, and yeah, like I do not want to live my studies for anything. I do want to see myself as an academician, and yeah, like YouTube blogging, I do enjoy doing it. But if it is ever a question of quitting your studies and such things, I don't think I'm going to do that. I think I will definitely try to find a healthy balance between the two. And I really wish कि कभी ऐसा situation ना आए that I have to choose in between, because I really enjoy all of these, and I do want to continue doing all of these for as long as it is possible for me. And yeah, like with that, I think I have tried to answer to all of your questions. एंड जो क्वेश्चंस रिपीटेटिव थे उनको मैंने लाइक एक बार में ही आंसर करने की कोशिश की है. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर आस्किंग दिस क्वेश्चंस टू मी, and I hope you all liked the video. Do give it a thumbs up if you liked it. So please subscribe to my channel, guys. And yeah, I'll see you all next time in a next video. Bye.